Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL on Amazon Linux 2023. First we will see how to create Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Then we will install the PostgreSQL on Amazon Linux 2023. Then we will connect from the PSQL shell and Pgadmin. Okay. First create Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. Connect to AWS console and click on services. Then search for EC2. Click on EC2. See, at present I don't have any instances. Click on launch instance or instances. Then click on launch instances. See, here select the Amazon Linux. Before that, provide the name for the instance. Then select the Amazon Linux. Then select the Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. Okay, it is free trial eligible. Next, select the architecture, then instance type. I am going with free trial eligible. But if you want select other, you can select other. But charges will be there. So next, key pair. See, I don't have any key pairs. So click on create new key pair. Then provide the name. Then select the .pem and RSA. Then click on create key pair. See, .pem file has been created. Now, see, I don't have any network information in this region. So, let us create a VPC. Click on services, search for VPC, right click on it, open link in new tab. See, the region must be the same. Here, US East 1, here also it must be the same. Now, click on create VPC. See, at present I don't have any VPCs. Click on create VPC. Select VPC and more. I am not going to change anything. Just click on create VPC. See, it has created subnet, DNS, VPC and more. Okay. So go to here. Now click on edit. Now refresh. See, we have the one VPC. Even in subnets also click on refresh. See, we have the subnets. See, we have different subnets. Then auto assign public IP. Select enable security group. I am going with the default one. If you have an existing security group, select here. Then remaining options SSH22. Okay. Then storage I am giving 30 GB because that pre-trial eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Advanced details, enable it. So next, remaining I am not going to change anything. If you want to provide any custom data, you can provide here. This is the summary of Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. If you are okay with all these settings, click on launch instance. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. Click on instances. See, still it is pending. Click on refresh. Wait until its state is available. See, state has been changed to running. So click on, see, this is the availability zone. This is the public IP. We don't have any elastic IP or IPv6, IPv4. Okay. So click on instance. Click on connect. Copy this one. Now open CMD. Go to downloads where we have the PEM file. CD downloads dir start.pem. See here we have the PEM file. See, this is the PEM file. Okay. So copy this SSH command, connect to it, paste it, just right click on it, automatically paste and hit enter. Type S and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Amazon Linux 2023. Even if you can verify by running the command more /etc os-release. See, the name is Amazon Linux and version is 2023. It is of the ID like Fedora. So, okay, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we will see how to install PostgreSQL 16 on this Amazon Linux. Now install PostgreSQL 16 by running the command sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 16-server and hit enter. See, there is no match. Go to this link. I will keep this link in the video description. Verify the PostgreSQL version. See, we have the packages only for the PostgreSQL 15 for the Amazon Linux. So, we have to install PostgreSQL 15 only. Okay. So, we are installing PostgreSQL 16. So, command is just use the above command and give 15 and hit enter. I will keep this link and this command in the video description. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 16. Now we have to install it by running this command. It is done. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now let us verify the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL service. Hit enter. See, it is disabled and not started. Now let us enable by running the command sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Give the tab. It is done. I verify again. See, we have enabled the PostgreSQL service. If we don't enable, whenever Amazon Linux 2023 restarted, we have to manually start the PostgreSQL service. So, to avoid that situation, we have to enable. Okay. Now, let us start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Again verify. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. We have started it 3 seconds ago. We took it from this output. Ctrl L to clear screen. Also notice here, this is the data directory. Okay, and these are the PostgreSQL processes. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now let us connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is the PSQL client version. So let us verify the version of PostgreSQL we have installed. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 15.7 on Amazon Linux. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So alter user Postgres with password. See, we have successfully set the password. Let us verify the list of the databases \l. See, we have these 3 default databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database R2 schools. Let us verify again. You to quit, exit, ifconfig. See, this is the local IP, not the public IP. To get the public IP, we have to go to here, instance. See, this is the public IP. Let me copy this one. Now we will connect this PostgreSQL from the Pgadmin. If you want to install Pgadmin on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Let me expand servers. Right click on servers, click on server. Then here we have to provide AWS Amazon Linux 2023. Name can be anything. In connection, this public IP or this public DNS, both are fine. Okay, I'm going with public IP. Paste the IP, port number 5432, maintenance database same, username also same. Provide the password. Click on save. We will get the connection timed out error. Okay, unable to connect, connection timed out error. So to avoid that one, first step is we have to go to security group, inbound rules, click on edit inbound rule, add rule, then select the PostgreSQL 5432 my IP, save the rule. Again try to click on save. Still if you got the same error, see, we are going to get the same error. So go to server, sudo su-. PostgreSQL show config underscore file. See, this is a config file. Let me copy, quit vi, search for listen, remove the hash, remove this localhost, and give the star. I2 insert, give the star, save the file, exit. After modification of PostgreSQL.configuration file, we have to restart the PostgreSQL server. Exit, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now go to the Pgadmin, click on save. Now this time different error. So we have to add this IP in this pg_hpa.conf file. So again go to, it is there in the same location, enter cd. So again switch to Postgres user, cd ls. So vi pg_hpa, hit enter, go to the bottom, shift A, host, provide the database name all, then username, give Postgres or give all users, then give this IP. I am unable to copy. Okay, let me go to what is IP address, copy it, go to the paste it, give 32, MD5 authentication type or authentication, save the file. Now exit from Postgres user or connect PostgreSQL PSQL. Now run the select pg_reload_conf. T means true, it is success. Now go to the Pgadmin, click on save. Now we will be able to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Let me expand. See, we have the database R2 scores. If we create one more database, like create database test AWS, one database is created. You go here, right click on databases, refresh. See, new database is there. Even we can create new database. Click on database test Pgadmin. This is the owner name, definition. I am not going to change anything. Click on save. It is done. If we go here, /l, see, new database successfully created. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 15 on Amazon Linux. Then we have seen how to connect to it from the PSQL shell as well as from the Pgadmin. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.